Still doing much different from the previous rounds. Manny magalaw pa rin, not allowing himself to be pushed against the ropes. Lateral movement, footwork ni Manny Pacquiao, mobility, speed. A lot of the factors na pag-usapan natin in the pre-fight. The fight has slowed down since the 8th round. Rajan Rios just looking to unload one big punch. And for Manny, keep that in mind. Behind the talk, all the aggression, yung adversity, na dinadala ng kampo ni Rios. I think he's just there to defend himself. Because that's sad, because I know this guy can really give more in terms of offense. I think it's just a great boxing lesson that Manny Pacquiao is administering dito. Ang ganda ng dalaw. I think Manny sacrificed a little bit in the power department to work on his feet. Ito naman si Manny sa mga road straight. Manny still has to be careful.
Tubo ng Pano Rios.
Target practice now for Manny Pacquiao. At this stage, hindi hinahanap ni Manny Pacquiao na knockout. Nakausap natin before this fight. Sabi niya, kung dumating ang knockout, okay. Pero kung hindi dumating ang knockout, he'll do what it takes to win this fight. And he needs the rounds. He needs to be able to get balance, confidence, and right. And his boxing style, because Manny Pacquiao was unraveled here, ito kaya niyang gamitin against big-name opponents like maybe Floyd Mayweather. Dugo na dito si Brandon Rios. He's taken a beat from Manny Pacquiao. You gotta give it all.